In this video, you will learn exactly what type of data the software tracks and collects. So let's get started. Your NotifyVisitors account and your e-commerce platform should be digitally connected in order to make the software function as intended. To do so, we provide a JavaScript integration code that can be seamlessly added by brands on their online shopping platform, which can be an official website or an e-commerce store. The JS code is available under Settings Store Integration and can be quickly copied by means of clicking on this copy button. You can then either paste it within the header of your website or add it via GTM, that is, the Google Tag Manager. Once added, this code enables the software to track activity of all the users as they navigate through your e-commerce store. To fulfill the same purpose in the case of Android and iOS mobile platforms, we provide dedicated SDKs that enable you to integrate your official apps with the software. We refer visitors to any brand's e-commerce platform as users. Users can be both known or unknown. Please note that this section of the software in which the track data of all the known users gets recorded and organized is called the user list. To view data pertaining to any user, simply click on his or her name or NVUID. We track user information such as name, email address, location, devices used, etc. Campaign and store interactions such as products viewed, orders placed, emails opened, and so on. We also track campaign activity like opens, clicks, bounce and unsubscribe rates, and much more. Here onwards, we will explain what sort of data the software tracks by means of an example. Let's consider the case of one of our clients, Acer, a computer hardware and electronics company. Whenever a known or an unknown user visits their official website, our software instantly comes into effect and begins tracking that user's online behavior. It traces all the actions performed by that user, such as searching for products, adding items to the shopping cart, placing orders, fulfilling transactions, etc. For instance, suppose a user visits the Acer store and starts viewing and comparing various laptops. He spots one having just the kind of features he requires, and thus clicks on it to further explore its details. Clearly, here the user performed an action. That is the product viewed event. Now, over in NotifyVisitors, the user who just visited the store doesn't get recorded in the user list yet. This is because that visitor is actually an unknown user. Remember, in this particular module, tracked information concerning only the known users gets consolidated. However, in case you intend to check whether a visitor performed a specific action on your e-commerce store, then you may do so via the Events module. So let's check how many performed the product viewed event. Here you can see that 2 known and 2 unknown users performed that event. Notice that, unlike the user list module, the events module registers data pertaining to unknown users as well. For each user, the software maintains a unique ID and it maps events performed by them against their designated IDs. Andrew is a known user. Visitors who actually registered on your online store or provided data such as their contact details are regarded as known users. On the other hand, visitors who simply explored the store but didn't register or provide any personal information are considered as unknown users. At any point in time, if an unknown user provides his or her personal information, then he or she becomes a known user and thereby gets listed in the user list module. Now, back at the Acer store, the anonymous user, after checking the product's details and learning that the laptop he desires is available at a reasonable price, finally decides to purchase it. So he adds the product to his shopping cart and then signs up by providing his personal details such as his email address, name, location, phone number, etc. Please note that at this point, in order to make the payment online, the user first performs the add to cart event and then provides his contact details. As you might have guessed, this visitor is now no longer an unknown user, meaning by now he should have got registered within the user list. So let's go check. Initially, there were only 3 users, namely Andrew, Sarah, and Samantha, present in the user list. Now, a new user named Ashton got registered. Here you can see the 2 events performed by him, that is product viewed and add to cart, have also been recorded. Events can contain custom attributes as well as system attributes. Custom attributes hold information such as specific details of the products viewed online. You define which all data should be tracked and included within the custom attributes. System attributes, on the other hand, get automatically tracked by the software and hold data such as geographical location, device-related information, etc. Essentially, users recorded within your NotifyVisitors account hold both online behavioral data as well as personally identifiable information. In a similar manner, data pertaining to numerous users who, just like Ashton, visited the Acer store gets recorded in the user list as well as in the events module. The brand now knows exactly who all were interested in purchasing its laptops. Not just that, it now has knowledge of the PII, location, preferred device for communication, etc. of all such visitors. The brand can harness this critical knowledge to target and engage users on their preferred communication channels in an automated manner. That is, both via precisely timed individual campaigns and journeys, in case some of them abandon their cart mid-purchase. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.